What's up, guys? Mini for Contenders Optic PYT number 2. Going live. Timestamp is 1126. Let's see who's listening today. The first person that types Scooby-Doo, grabbing the list. First person that types Scooby-Doo in this thread after the video gets $10 in break credit. Dice 4 or more. 12. Wow, going the big 12 times. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final, number 12. Dwayne, William, Josh, and Kyle. I think actually it stops at, it's only top 4. So sorry, Kyle, that wasn't it. It's Dwayne, William, and Josh. D Moore. Ooh, sorry, buddy. DLVZAZ is the code. And we're done. Timestamp 11:27. Thanks, guys.